Usability testing is an essential part of the product development process, helping to ensure that products are easy to use, understand, and navigate. It involves observing users as they interact with a product, providing valuable insights into their behavior, pain points, and areas for improvement. In this video, we'll explore the different methods and strategies for conducting usability testing, empowering you to gather actionable feedback, refine your product design, and create a user-friendly experience that meets the needs of your target audience. Understanding the purpose of usability testing. Usability testing serves several key purposes. Identify usability issues. Uncovers usability issues that may not be apparent during the design or development phases, preventing them from reaching users and hindering their experience. Validate design decisions. Provides real-world validation of design decisions, ensuring that the product aligns with user expectations and behaviors. Gather user feedback. Collect valuable insights into user preferences, pain points, and mental models informing design iterations and improvements. Prioritize design changes. Provides data-driven evidence to prioritize design changes and address issues that have the most significant impact on user experience. Measure product usability. Provides a quantitative measure of product usability, allowing you to track progress and identify areas for improvement over time. Different methods of usability testing. There are several different methods of usability testing, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Moderated testing. A facilitator guides users through the product, asking questions, observing their behavior, and collecting feedback in real time. Unmoderated testing. Users interact with the product independently, recording their thoughts, actions, and feedback through screen recordings or think-aloud protocols. Remote testing. Users interact with the product from their own location, using video conferencing tools to connect with the facilitator or researchers. Eye tracking. Tracks users' eye movements to identify areas of interest and attention, providing insights into their visual focus and engagement. A/B testing. Compares two versions of a product or design element to determine which one performs better in terms of user experience or conversion rates. Planning and preparing for usability testing. Effective usability testing requires careful planning and preparation. Define test objectives. Clearly articulate the objectives of the test, ensuring that the tasks and scenarios align with the specific areas you want to evaluate. Recruit participants. Recruit a representative sample of your target users, considering factors such as age, experience level, and demographics. Create test scenarios. Develop realistic and representative test scenarios that reflect the typical tasks and goals of your users. Prepare test environment. Prepare the testing environment to minimize distractions and ensure that participants can focus on the task at hand. Choose recording and observation tools. Select appropriate recording and observation tools to capture user interactions, feedback, and nonverbal cues, conducting the usability testing session. The usability testing session involves several key steps. Welcome and introduction. Welcome the participant and provide a brief overview of the test, including its purpose and duration. Warm-up and rapport. Engage in a brief conversation to establish rapport and make the participant feel comfortable. Consent and confidentiality. Obtain informed consent from the participant and assure them of the confidentiality of their feedback. Explanation of test scenarios. Clearly explain the test scenarios and provide any necessary instructions or background information. Observation and recording. Observe the participants' interactions, recording their actions, feedback, and nonverbal cues. Think aloud protocol. Encourage the participant to verbalize their thoughts, feelings, and decision-making processes throughout the test. Probing questions. Ask probing questions to elicit more in-depth insights into the participant's experience and pain points. Post-test interview. Conduct a brief post-test interview to gather overall feedback and impressions of the product or feature.